Hello, this is how you make a handheld rocket launcher out of Lego. You will need these parts. One of these cross to circle connectors. One of these 3-hole circle connectors. 2 flick fire missiles. A classic harpoon gun. And one of these inner circle connectors. Take the harpoon gun and slide the circle connector on top of it, so you have this. Then take the outer connector and put it on top of that, so then you have this. Load the flick fires into the connector, and then add square to circle connector, across the circle connector to that, and then you have a handheld rocket launcher.